Come check out Casa Salmon, a beautiful new home in Gaviotas, Puerto Vallarta. Casa Salmon 303 is a brand new home located on quiet Calle Salmon in Colonia Jardines de Vallarta. This modern residence offers 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a functional 2 levels layout designed for comfortable living. The home features a spacious 2-car garage, providing convenience and security. The private patio and swimming pool connect directly to the living area, creating a comfortable space for relaxing or entertaining. On the ground floor, you'll find versatile bedroom and full bathroom, ideal for guests, family members, or anyone who prefers single-level access. The living room is filled with natural light and flow into a contemporary kitchen with modern finishes and clean architecture design. The second bedroom includes its own private bathroom, offering added comfort and independence. The primary bedroom offers a spacious private bathroom designed for comfort and privacy. Upstairs, the home featuring a laundry room and a rooftop terrace perfect for sunset, outdoor dining, or gatherings with friends. And convenient half bath is also located on this level. CASA SALMON is located just 20 minutes from Puerto Vallarta International Airport and only 15 minutes from the Malecón, downtown Puerto Vallarta and the Romantic Zone. The Malecón is one of Puerto Vallarta's most iconic attractions, known for its ocean views, public art, local shops, cafes, and vibrant atmosphere day and night. Nearby Viewpoints offers panoramic views of the bay, the city, and the Sierra Madre Mountains, perfect for enjoying sunset and Vallarta's natural beauty. Puerto Vallarta is known for its diverse culinary scenes, from authentic Mexican cuisine to upscale dining and rooftop bars. At night, the city comes alive with live music, lounge, and a night option. And when the sun goes down, Vallarta nightlife comes alive with clubs, live music, and beachfront lounges. If you like it, contact us or visit maxlifepb.com. Thank you for watching.